Darlene, thought I'd create that video for you so you can see how to work on your HTML files and see what they are. Quick overview. A browser is some software that translate HTML code into something people can see. HTML code is every web page in the world is made up of HTML code, and every browser in the world translates that HTML code into what somebody can see. So I'm in Firefox right now, and I'm viewing your page. And again, the underlying source code, I can go up to the Edit menu, the View menu, and choose Page Source. And I'm going to see the source code that makes up your page. A little hard to see there, but this is the source code that makes up that page. And it's HTML code. It may look like gobbledygook, but it's exactly the same thing that we all work with. And I can open up here in Firefox not only web pages, pages that are on the web, exist online. I can also open up local HTML files. So in Firefox I can choose File menu, I can choose Open File, and I can go and find your HTML files that I sent you, open it up, and view it here in the browser. Again, it doesn't display the same as your page because it's just the raw HTML. It hasn't been applied to your site where the template design takes over and makes it look a particular way. It's just a raw basic HTML code. And again, I can right click, view page source, and see the source code that makes up this page. Even though it's locally on my computer in an HTML file and not online, it still allows me to view the source. And if I wanted to edit this source code, I would do the same thing in a text editor. In Notepad, in your case, you'd go to Notepad, you'd open Notepad, and I'm sure it exists on your computer somewhere. You go to the Applications menu, and you should be able to find Notepad. It's built into Windows. It must be there. And you would just go to the text editor, open the file in the same way. And now you're looking at, and can work on the HTML code. Because again, HTML code is nothing more than straight text. It's simple text format, the rawest form of computer data you can find. So it's very simple to work on. You just edit the code. And again, that's where W3C schools can help you figure that out. But in terms of what we have here, in bringing it into your Site Build It page, this is the code that I can work with. Now what you will bring into Site Build It is not all of the text. Right after this body tag is where the actual page begins. And notice there's also a closing body tag down here. Open body tag, close body tag. Everything in between is what you would copy and paste into your text box. So everything in blue is what you'd copy and paste. And just to see the process, I'm going to copy this, and we'll quickly open up Site Build It. Using your login. make it a little larger for you to see. And now I would go add site. Let's create this page from scratch. Let's do add site builder page. Okay, there's a text box. I'm just going to paste. Whoops. Paste all that code. So here's all the code that I just created. And I can even preview it to see how it's automatically got formatted into exactly your layout. Okay? So that's how you would copy and paste. Of course, you'd want to add correct page title, keywords, and description, and I just so happen to have that built into the top of the page. So my title is this. So I'm going to put that there. Description. Oops, I'm backwards. Description. We'll make it Trestle Leaf Toolkit 2. Okay. Okay, hopefully that's starting to make sense. So that's the process we go through to move it in to your page. Again, to quickly review, a browser displays pages, translates HTML code into something you can see, and again, we can just paste it all into one text box. That's really all we need. You might want to have another text box for your Google Analytics code. Maybe you'll put that in front, in first, but that's fine, etc. So I won't build it. I won't analyze it. I'll let you do that yourself. But that's the process. Hopefully that's helpful, Darlene.